Good afternoon, Quincy from Signature. We've got this Mercedes Sprinter truck here. It's a recovery vehicle, a little like a UFO here. This one will be ideal for a motor trader wanting to pick up cars and whatnot. Great for anything mid-range and under. Ideal for picking up motorbikes, go-karts, or anything you want to use it for, really. It's got the bonnet spoiler on and the nice roof. Sun deflector. So got the big light on the bottom as well when you switch the lights on, so you'll not get missed. So we've got the 3 seats up front. Sorry, my quote's on that one there. 295,247 miles. It's got Bluetooth, streaming, so you can listen to music, make your calls and that. Multifunction steering wheel, electric windows, sun deflectors on. It's got the ramps in the bottom. You've got a stealth pull on there with the remote controls. The ramps under here for getting stuff on, really, which is I do, and the straps as well. Mercedes Sprinter, so you know it's going to drive nice. Give us a call if you're interested or if you have any questions. Thanks very much for watching the video.